me TV now here for concern the Black Stars. Kwame me more different narrative, and I say concern about the Black Stars compared to Accra. Kwame the many agenda exercise no. Many general pa. On say me maternal aka Otuado exercise the number of times YouTube say no onye ni nema right. But Kwame, let's not forget the core mandate of the game about Endrano. It's not a competition say a year trophy that we are gunning for. This is a trophy, but more like a friendly game. But a boy here Nigeria, said now at Accra can Kwame. This is the Nigeria team. Say can or more gamer. A beer 3 players that started and almost started at the moment. Either you talk of Stanley Nwabali. No abeka abete will Fred Oye Indidi. Kwame. Ebe o mi edupe. Umomo kanina from Sadiq Smiler. From Abrante Fene says Samuel Chukwueze, Cyril Desses, Kwame na ebe players on the bench. So this is a Nigeria team. Kwame sank competition ke here or more. And these players would have started for them. Then Ghana too. They be a man for from Mr. Kwame Mohammed chance. Local players in China and Amokano. Players are Otod Efren Kwame. So for 4 local players.
Sure.
Or start your Mida and Dra. And it's a good exercise because say who call it say your mom chance. Kwame, this is the opportunity. Where a friendly game. Omo mere. Amewe. And Rowan will be beer and Otod Bear the reason why there's a key position of Kwame on farm the local players. No? Because over the center back position, for instance, and Razak Simpson Kwame, for me, he was totally over, especially in the first half. Because Razak Simpson and how no G3 and now part no other form. Considering own goal, you might say own goal the Kwame ever born, but for the own goal, the finishing the first Kwame was suspect. And then again Nigeria because Kawasa Kwame, you both here Chad. Madagascar, way in the Ghana Bobri. As a nation like Ghana, who go peel into the big tournament, you go Bunubuno, Kwame, and yet Amayo the Bishop. More Bishop, and they Nigeria more, Ubishia Senegal, Morocco, in the Kwame say about Chad Madagascar. Yen Sufa and Sudia. Where I won't see them, when they play against what the big boys. And I for me, Razak Simpson, but the answer RJ, the Modebo. Benjamin Asai Kwame can was say what your child in Madagascar. Not pay a clinch the Kwame and yes something with my build upon. Because Madagascar child Kwame, these are teams in terms of firepower Kwame NDB. But no Nigeria for a bar without a better further say Victor James Osimhen, without Victor Oko Boniface, without Omar Sadiq Kwame, about with Cyril Desses. And one read the Scottish Premier League, you know. I know who the talent Cyril Desses Edmund Rangers. And to go against Glasgow Celtic Kwame. Now about L2 tonight in those games. Europa League, now about Asia goes in the tournament. And show the quality Cyril Desses Ede Ekura. Tendra they tested about the fair Benjamin Asari go for Ghana. And the 2 goals of consider you can parry him. Who were the 2 saves that MK one day deflection from Onye Kanank Oba, Abrantero, Ergo of the defender or point American corner kick. And the wonder if say Oye, coach like Otuada Kwame, there are some good aspects from Benjamin Asara when he ever done one the composure on the ball. On Paneke, even when an all-Russian player from Nigeria air bar, you could see several air composed on the ball. But I could put it Nigeria striker brand already, not over. So give it to Benjamin Asari. And for me, let me pay this test, Let me see how well he'll be able to play against the big boy, especially against Nigeria. For me, I was impressed with, especially. So, my idea over 10, I remember 6/10. And then also, Kwame and Dra made the Mediaji Abrantano Bonbon Drow. Mediaji Hokra. Because Kwame, who's the local players and Tanya Queer and started. It is a striker put their own dear chance on be here 0.9 and start and the Black Stars. It's only a Quenya see a Kwame. Chile Bre. no you say Kwame ubetimi are abo if you don't even from the starter but when no kwa boku no jam no one good thing is no press the goalkeeper wobali e crab no but the Kwame he should have done better and to a time he the film the brand Thomas Sant e buy no that get any more I saw all together
sure
once I sharp you could see say there's somebody or at least something to the attack of the Ghana Black Stars team no. And that's what I wanted for him because I thought, sir, with a kind of movement to no cry Ghana, no, he can be able to give Ghana because when Nigeria achieve on the 50 on Papa and Daniel, a player from Nigeria Tornadoes on Nigeria League. Sumaila Sodiq, a defender from Rainbow Stars, Nigeria League. So it's more like almost all local players at the back and the defense midfield position. And two boys these are not players because A, B or foreign players. When we there, you have a crosser. And two your more Kwame, show them what you got. But no for me, about the money so many. The good ones Kwame, ASA, send it out Okano. Black Stars Kwame, you can say backup air there wedding, Eddie and the But no Kwame, who are Caleb Urenchia. Who say you have a DM, say maybe Drew, not Thomas Terry Party, any animal. Abdul Samuel Salis, any other be about it as you know, Kwame. He can play. Who say we are defending for that? But no, no more a right wing back. But no one better in to bomb the bonnet as a son. He's just 19 years, and Kwame Yemoa.
The confidence of the Bobon so was so.
Kwame, Osia Bobo. So right to dream I know. I look at right to dream for right to dream battery. Her cruise moment, her confidence. Come on, this Suleiman, let me share Kwame. These are players that were taught and they pass through a transition before they reach where they reach. And they of right to dream, no Jayland. 90 years, and nobody look at how he played. Then they all told Kwame, this exercise, we put away the resource and look at a larger world. Picture. Kwame Unity Cup for 10 years to come. Yankai Unity Cup. Yankai Unity Cup. I can't say. Then Kwame the it gave us these players because the Unity Cup Amade calibrate Kwame Ghana Friday. And they work for Bosuba.
Sure.
He just 20 or 22 years per Kwame. 20 or 20 years. About the model. A 2 or 20 years winger. Kwame, no to me, Bobo say, what done why they? No one that because, and they out of a time, so got on my relaxing. And they come on, this remember my day, and relaxing. But they about the natural as a Kwame, when they relax, there's somebody to call upon. Say, unless appear near Mamu Kwame, or me when they here, there's a youngster, call upon him, he will answer. It may be author any Gideon Mua Kwame. Now he has seen even Ghanaians Kwame. Let's call up Emma. No car. Don't think Ghana for first about the wife.
And go for work.
I'm fair because about the teacher say he can play for Ghana. Brandon Thomas Asante Kwame. Ghana anyway. I say a man on War Plaza de Edubi.
Aye.
Sir, away we are be a family. And do some of your Kwame, but Black Stars and say. In Yankee Williams back Kwame say. Brandon Thomas Asante Kwame buy and share a chance or buy 1 minute Kwame 2 minutes no day. Obo. Benra commented impact. So with about model. This is what we are calling for. Kwame, give the players that your mama chance opportunity to play. Kwame, you maybe both Liberia before the AFCON. You don't use the senior team Kwame. Yeah, who the young players but no, Kwame were the age of the player that started even AOS or Kwame before we plan. Who the AOS for me? Nobody edge the bottom. So this is what Kwame can say. That's what the results Kwame. Yeah, the results is not at all the time the results. We're a friendly game. And a friendly game of Kwame. There's no better on it. Tell me how much the Kwame. Me. Another thing now can end. Let's see. Also, or 24 years. Obama, England, and a 21 be paid. Young man, chance near Wesse. And there's a son in the one of Kwame. I'll make my day. When I go to the public Kwame, I have a beer here because one o'clock and they form and deserve a call up to the Black Stars. Kwame say eni say fair no
Opra.
won team na make am ye fair no enye pra na ko make team no
Sam to.
and the money the Kwame our third division England Black Stars Kwame Debbie ya tra horrible it is another them who say obet anything be far next call ombra one cut mo enko from Kwame and me dey the Ghana for the be so much edge Kwame me Madibah over here I was impressed with the exercise especially the players and they almost showcasing their talent on the field of play.